Hi, I'm Dennis, and I'm here with another data science book recommendation. And today I'm actually recommending two books in one. I'm recommending the books by Amy Jensu, Own the Room, and The Leader That You Want to Be. Both of these books have been really influential on me. I came across her books when I was first promoted within data science management. That promotion happened to me right around the Christmas break, so I had about a week of downtime to brush up on some of my leadership concepts. And the part that I really took away from her books was that the tone starts from the top. How you act, how you take care of your body, how you run your meetings, how you run your projects, that's exactly how your team is going to act too. So that's something that has really helped me really kind of change my perspective on being a leader, and that's why I really enjoy her books. So whether you're an experienced manager or a new manager, I think that her books can really help you in a significant way. And if you'd like more data science leadership content, please click on like and follow below.